Don't even worry about it. Right there. Yo. Marlene. Yup. They done made it the worst graduation, huh? Crazy. It's crazy, man. With 911 when you need them, huh?
I know that.
Oh,
I know that. And at a school. And there ain't no sirens. No sirens nowhere. And I know they got 50 million calls. Ain't no cop nowhere.
Sorry.
That's just bad.
Marlene. Marlene. Where little Leak at? Huh? My boy.
I put him out here. He came out here with hair. Oh shoot.
Wow, wow. This about to be the worst one they ever had. That's crazy.
Over what though? Like
Some couples can't get their little, probably, parents, walking in on each other. Somebody else with somebody, probably. Something stupid.
Not there. Your niece is still in there?
she was trying to run behind somebody and then pulled out the mace.
Where my boy at, though? I'm telling him, you grab him, and he lost.
I did. I can't push him out here. The little boy right there.
Cool.
Where Marlise went to?
Cool.
I had them two together.
Give the main office, can you please pay the nurse outside?
And the police still ain't here. Like, this is crazy.
With my son.
In the orange shirt?
That was, I'm like, you had a daughter with a, he was like, he like, this shit not in there.
Water, there's water over here, guys.
The dude tried to hit her, though. Like, that's the crazy part. That's why she maced him.
Where is she? What does Mace do?
Where my boy at, man?
Hello? Who's this?
Man, geez, wait, I'm trying to find my boy.
He probably is over there.
Huh? Hold on to my arm, man. That's crazy, man. Putting this on YouTube. About to get paid.
He's about to get hits. That's all you about to get.
Huh?
Just a whole bunch of hits. Because everybody, they already probably posted it on Facebook already, right now. Yeah.
What we gonna put?
Where the hell is Marlene? I know he ain't go back in there.
She's trying to get info.
Can I call parents over here?
Go, Mom.
It's right there. It's right there.
Good. Well, you my wife. What's up? You scared?
Stuck in your head, yeah. Wait, it's in the front now.
Put it in your mouth.
No, that's a little too absurd. Wait, you need to cut this.
Yeah. I'm gonna cut it.
Can you stop?
Oh,
Stop.
shit ain't stopped yet.
No, you're gonna waste a lot of the memory. On nothing, Miley.
Memory on what?
The memory. Okay. Then when you really want to record some stuff, you're on the card, the SIM card. Stop.